Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Khairullah bin Zainuddin and I am from EE242 and the group of EE2423B. So, in this video presentation, I would like to show you the demonstration of my mini project of the course Ece431. So, let's go. Now I would like to show the demonstration of my mini project. First of all, this is my equation, which is fx equal to tangent x plus cot x, and the range of x is 1 is less or equal to x and x is less or equal to 160.5. Okay, and the step of x is 0.5. So this is my coding, the coding of my program. The coding consists about 590 lines. Okay, so we are going to run the program. Okay, when you run the program, it will display to you 5 choices, which is the choices is referred to the question actually. For example, choices number 1, okay, it refers to question number 1. Question number 2 refer to question number 2, choice number 3 refer to question number 3, and question number 4 refer to choices number 4. Okay, for example, we see here for question number 1, value of fx and x, right? So we just click number 1 and then click enter, and it will display to you. It is asked you to enter the lower range. For example, you entered number 23, and then it asks you to enter the upper range. For example, you enter the number 30. Okay, and it will display to you, this is the x, this is the x 23. It will plus 0.5 because of the step of x. Okay, it will plus 0.5, and this is the value of fx. Alright, so this is the range. Since you write 23 until 30, so it will display to you 23 until 30, the range. Okay, so that is for question number 1. For question number 2, okay, it will display to you like this. Since question number 2 is apply the following filters in sequence to obtain the final value of fx, denoted as f underscore final x, and this is the filters. So you see, when I choose number 2, okay, it will given to you, this is the average of the last 100 values minus, and then also given to you the standard deviation of the first 50 and minus, and then the standard deviation 50, the last 50 and minus. Okay, so that is the question number 2. Then for question number 3, we see the question first. The question number 3 is values of f underscore final x and x in file. Okay, you can see that's right, number 3. Okay, so it will ask you to insert the first value of x. For example, you just write number 35. Okay, the second value is 40, for example, and it will given to you the x 35 until 40, and this is the fx value. Okay, if we can see here the value. Okay, this is the value of x from 1 until 160.5, and it is also given the fx value here. Alright, that is for question number 3. Now we move to question number 4. For question number 4, question is the analysis data, which is it asks us to divide f underscore final x points into 5 quantiles, which is every quantile refers to is need us to display the average, standard deviation, maximum and minimum of f underscore final x. So that's right, number 4, question number 4. Enter, and it will display to you like this. As you can see, this is the minimum of quantile number 1, right? This is the maximum of quantile number 1. This is the average for quantile number 1, and this is the value of standard deviation for quantile number 1, right? And the flow is the same, just like this is for the quantile number 2, right? This is for quantile number 3, number 4, number 5, right? Same goes to the others. Alright, so I think that's all for the demonstration of every question of my mini project. So when I'm going to close the program, just click number 5 and click enter. It will exit the program. So I think that's all for the demonstration.